Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm so excited. I am unboxing and showing you samples of all the new items that are going to be on the HSN Craft Show Day. These were released from the Stamps of Life. They are exclusive to HSN only. So let's start with this amazing bundle here. This is the Stamps of Life Felt Flower Kit with glue. And you can see here it also comes with some reverse tweezers. And let's see here. So they're in black. These are really nice. I actually have a set of these from the Stamps of Life, but you can never have too many tweezers, right? Because I'm always setting them down and then I'm like, where did they go? So these are great for holding little embellishments. Then we also get the Happy Crafter glue and it's in a larger size. So I'm really excited about that. Look at this cute box with all these felt flowers. So we got 4 different colors of felt flowers and 5 different sizes, shapes. And then we've got sequins here, like little gems in pink and clear. Then we've got pearls in that pink color and then in the white color. And then this case is amazing. So when you close the case, then it keeps everything where it is. Now I've also got this pickup tool that I picked up, I think on the last HSN Craft Day release, and it works great for picking up these little items. And then of course I love the reverse tweezers for when I'm picking up the flowers and putting glue on them and things. So this is really nice. I imagine this will go quick, so if you like this, add this to your cart. All right, now I'm going to show you the next item here. And this might be my favorite. We have an idea card. You can always scan this to get more ideas. It takes you right to the Stamps of Life gallery where you can see more ideas for inspiration. But this one is called the Sandals Fold It Card Kit. So you can see here we get a shaped card and it is shaped in these cute flip-flop sandals. And then it's also got a couple dies here. We've got a shell, a star, a heart, and a flower. I really think this is my favorite set of the whole bunch, and I can't wait to show you all the samples that I made with this. There's also a stamp set. You get the words, "You're flippin' awesome," "Kick off your shoes and relax," "Life's a beach," "Shell yeah," "It's summer," "Step into sunshine and fun," and "Sand plus sun equals fun." So this is a really cute stamp set that goes perfectly with these flip-flops. And then you also receive this giant pack of embellishments. So you get these flowers here, and they've got pearl centers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets. Oh my gosh, you get 5 sheets of flowers in here. So they're like cardstock flowers that are stickers, and they've got gems already in the center. So let me show you the samples that I've made with these. Here is the first one I made, and I put this on an A2 size card, and you can see here I used those flowers as like the center of the flip-flops. And then I added a sentiment, "Happy birthday." I added some of the gems that we saw in that first set, and then the stamp here, "Step into sunshine and fun." So this is super cute. I love the way that turned out. Here's another one on an A2. Oh no, this one isn't on an A2 card base. This is on a different card base, but you can see here I used some of the felt flowers, and I've got the "You're flipping awesome." You can see here, this is actually the rounded gatefold A2 card die set, and I just love putting these shaped cards on there. Here's another one, and I use those cardstock flowers, "Kick off your shoes and relax. It's summer." And then I've got one more here, and this one I made my own pattern paper using some stamps here to make some florals. I've got some glitter paper here to really just bling this up. And I think this one turned out super cute too. Now be sure as you're watching to let me know in the description or in the comments down below which set is your favorite and also which card is your favorite. I'm interested to know. Let's jump into the next set. Now this one is the Stamps of Life Thank You Fold It card kit. So you get a card base that is shaped in the word of thank you. So you can cut out the inside letters, the outside, and you can make it into a shaped card. And then this also comes with a set of embellishments. And these, you get 3 sheets of these right here. So they've got, I think it's the cardstock and the felt together with some gems already in it. These are so nice, not only for these cards, but you can use these on others as well. So let's take a look at the samples that I made using this set. Here I've used it, and the thank you is cut out on black cardstock and then pattern paper for the background. Here I've added it onto an A2 card base, and I added a little sun here and some ribbon just to kind of jazz this up a little bit. Here I've made it as it's intended, as a shaped card. Thank you. You are so amazing. Love this one. Thank you so much. Yeah, I love this one with the little flowers on there. They add so much. And then here we go. Here's another one with some pattern paper. And this one, again, I used that rounded gatefold card die set. I am just getting so much use out of that. If you don't have that, it's available on the Stamps of Life website. And it makes it fun for these shaped cards because it gives them like a hinge to add onto it. I just think it looks so unique. All right, let's jump into the next set. Now this one is so fun. This might be my favorite too. Can I pick multiple favorites? This is the Stamps of Life Cheers to You Shaker Card Kit. So if you're new to shaker cards, this has everything you need. These are the shaker pockets, and you get a ton of them in here. Let me just tell you. I don't know here. I'm just going to flip through here. A ton, right? We don't even need to count them. It's a ton. So you can make a lot of shaker cards. And then we've got the shaker embellishments here. So we've got 5 different colors. We've got blue, purple, red, green, and pink. So these are the shaker bits that you need to make shaker cards. Then we've got, this is just another sample here where you can scan to see more ideas. This is the Cheers to You shaker card front. But then there's also more inside this one. So when you open this up, not only do you have the background die, the Cheers to You, but there's all these other dies. So there's hats and like confetti and candles. So I can't wait to show you my samples on how I use those additional dies as well. It was a lot of fun to make these cards, and I can't wait to show you these. All right, so let me bring in my samples, and we will get to those. So here's one. I use that Cheers to You card front, and you can see here it's in that shaker pocket like window that you just stick on your card. It's so easy to make. And then I use some of those flowers that came, in these kits as embellishments. I'm kind of mixing and matching them. Now here's another one with the card front, and then here's a couple of those hats that I cut out. You can see here I used some of that shiny foil paper on these, the hologram paper, holographic, I believe it's called. And then here, look at this one. So this one, I just used that candle die, and I added a little yellow cardstock to make the flames, and then I just left the candles open, and the shaker bits are inside of there and in the whole card. So I love the way this one turned out. Super pretty. And then I stamped happy birthday. And then this might be another one of my favorites. So on this one, I've got the confetti die twice on here. I've got like 2 panels, and then I added some paper strips for the other panels, and then made it into one of those shakers and added one of the cute dogs. This is a stamp from the Stamps of Life website. Potty time. I think that's adorable. So all very different cards made with this same kit. All right, the next set that I want to show you, this is the Happy Thoughts Octagonal Side Fold A2 card kit. And oh, I love this one. It's such a unique shape. I have some other shapes similar to this, but not just like this. I love the way this looks, and you get the background die for the back, and then you get all of these stamps with it that are so usable. Happy birthday, thank you. Everything is better when we're together. Congratulations. Kindness is free. Thinking of you and wishing you the best day today, tomorrow, and always. So very nice stamp sets. And then also there's that word die too. So I added "You are my favorite person." And look how neat this looks with those corners just peeking through on the edges. And you get that background die. And there's the stamp I used. Really, really pretty. I love this. Kind of a different color combination for me, but I like the way it turned out. Here's one. Oh, I really like this one. I have this one in envelope because that glitter paper is sparkly and shiny and it might go places. So I want to keep it in here, but look how pretty that turned out. Happy birthday. You take the cake. And then let me show you a couple others that I have, just a completely different look. I've got sending lots of happy thoughts your way. Now this one comes with the set. I've also used some of the felt flowers from some of the other kits here and some of the gems. And then I added pattern paper to the background with a stamp. Super cute. And then I've got one more here. Oh, I love this one. This one I used the cute little unicorn set that the Stamps of Life released not too long ago with some of the felt flowers, a beautiful ribbon there, and "You're the best" inside. I mean, how amazing is that? Super, super cute set. I love these cards. Okay, this next set, this is so fun. This is called the Delightful A2 Stand-Up Card Stamp and Die Kit. So it comes with tons of dies. So we've got lots of word dies in here. And there's that sun that I used and some leaves. And then we also get a stamp set. Thanks so much. You are so amazing. Hello, and I am so thankful for you. I love just the size of these stamps. You get a lot in this one. So let me show you my samples. I think they turned out super cute. Here's one of those dies that it comes with. Your kindness shines bright. Thanks so much. Oh, I think this one turned out so cute. I love that little delightful design. Just a little hello. There's some of those flowers again. And a little note to say, "You made my day." I mean, how cute are these? I love these stand-up cards because they stand up. You know, when you give them to someone, they can stand them up and put them on display. And they're just so unique. There's one, "You are so amazing." And then, "Thank you for being a wonderful friend." And then I added a little ribbon. So these are really cute. I know I said I've already listed a couple as my favorites, but I think this next set might be my favorite too. This has so many words. It's the Stamps of Life Best Word Die Set. You get 12 different dies in here. So you can see "You're my favorite person," "You're the best," "The best is yet to come," just a little note. Just, oh my goodness, these are so good. And I can't wait to show you my samples with these. And they're big, right? They're large. They're going to take up a lot of real estate on your cards, which means you don't have much to do. Just add some pretty paper to them. So let me show you. Here's one. "You are my favorite person." Look how big that is. So I used a scalloped circle here and just one of those background dies that I had. Some of those felt flowers. Really simple, but so pretty. And then "You're the best." So here's that octagon die again. Oh, I love this paper with the bows. It might be my favorite paper ever. Everything is better when we're together. How cute is that? Love that. And then I've got "Just Because." Oh, this one's super cute too. I love that. I added the cute little peeking critters, that little kitty cat on there. I love this one. Oh, and some of those pearls from the embellishment kit. And then "The best is yet to come." Wishing you the best today, tomorrow, and always. So that's a look at all my cards that I've made from this release. I hope you'll go over to the HSN website and check it out. I'll leave a link down below in my description box. And don't forget to check out the Stamps of Life website. They have a gallery where you can get lots of inspiration. Drop me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!